Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your chat history in ChatGPT really quickly. So first, simply open ChatGPT and log into your account. From here, you're then going to have to go to the settings menu by clicking your profile or the three dots in the sidebar. Then simply look for data controls or history and training. So here, you'll then be able to see an option to delete all conversations. So all your chat history will be permanently deleted from your account. And after this, your ChatGPT account will no longer have any saved conversations, giving you a fresh start. And that's it. So that's how to delete all your chat history in ChatGPT. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.